Hey everyone struggling to write Google ads that actually convert? Here's how to craft a winning ads using Anyword AI in just minutes. Let's get started. First, you need to log into anyword.com and here click the plus content button and describe your ad like product, offer, or goal. Then here, write your prompt. This is my example prompt. Create a Google Ads for 50% summer sales on eco-friendly water bottles. You can focus on urgency and sustainability. Edit and finalize your prompt, and after that, you can now click generate and review the variations. Any word shows performance scores, pick the one that best in CTR potential, and tweak keywords if needed. And that's it. High converting Google Ads in less than a minute. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.